Hello, this is KC from KC Grandpa Tech. We talk about tech, fun stuff, and much, much more. Just to beginning with you, I'm going to talk about the Suptig Jaws flex clamp mount for your GoPro camera. So let me just ask you real quickly before we begin. At the end of this video, if you like it, please share, subscribe, and comment on it. Anyway, I want to talk to you about the unit that I'm showing here on the screen. I have a GoPro camera, chameleon or copycat, and I was down at Disney World and I wanted something that I could clamp on in different situations. Now, this one over here is compatible with your GoPro Hero 8, 9, 5, 2018. It's also compatible with other cameras too. The Gooseneck is excellent. It bends, it flexes, and it doesn't tip over. And you get one pair of jaws, one gooseneck, one thumbscrew, quick release mount, 1/4-inch adapter, just about everything you need to work it. And I found it for $17 on Amazon, and you can probably find it other places, other locations. I will not leave a link to Amazon anymore, mainly because Amazon banned me from writing reviews on their site. So because of that, I will not give them the time of day. Okay, and when I fought with them about it, they said that I had given an unusual amount of reviews on products. Get that deal. So they will never get a link. You'll have to find the product on your own. Anyway, here it is. Yes, you can see here's the clamp. Really tough looking clamp. See it? This part removes here by the clamp. It's flexible, it's sturdy. You can mount it with your standard GoPro mounts, or you could use a 1/4-inch mount. I used it for two reasons. I used it with a GoPro here, and I also put a small camera on here. I tried using an SLR camera. Unfortunately, slightest movement, it would just tip over. The weight of the SLR camera, and it was a light SLR camera, just was too much for it. So for GoPro, great use. The other thing is, what I found is that it clamps extremely well. What am I talking about? Let me show you a little video, and we'll come back to that. And it's clamped on, and I'm just going to I'm driving it along Disney's Boulevard, and as you can see here, it is holding well. The camera's not bending over in any way. But you know, this is a cobblestone road, so the vibration is coming right through the clamp. But it's doing an excellent job of holding it in place. It's not moving. It's totally adjustable, and it really holds on to very well. Let me show you something else. As you can see here, same thing. It's still mounted to the scooter, and I'm able to come in and drive with it, or if you had a bicycle, or if you were trying to go somewhere. Obviously, these people are getting in right in the middle. But at the same time, as you can see here, the clamp is not moving in any way, and it's clamping on really, really well, allowing me to move back and forth without any sensation. You can see that the gooseneck is holding on very, very, very well. So if you attach this to a bicycle or a helmet or something like this, it would do an excellent job. And then, of course, and because it's a tripod type situation, it allowed me to get a good video of the art festival at Disney. Now, as you can see, as I came up the pathway, it held extremely well with the cobblestones and the banging and the moving around and all of that occurs in Disney World as you're moving. I happen to be on a scooter because I'm disabled, but if you were riding your bike and you had it on the handlebars or clamped it onto something else, it would definitely hold very, very well. And with the GoPro, the gooseneck did not bend over in it with all the banging and movement or anything else. So I gotta say, I'd give this a 10. So if you're looking for a clamp that's adjustable, that you can make it shorter, longer, for your GoPro or GoPro compatible, I definitely recommend this. This is Ken from KC Grandpa Tech out, and please again like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much.